Hi Marias! Good morning! Meron tayong new arrivals today and magpapasneak peek lang ako sa inyo. So, this one pala, back in stock ng medyo maingay yung kabila namin, may ginagawa. Back in stock na tong design na to. So, ito pa yung iba, pinaplansya ni Richard. Yung mga colors. Ito yung side niya, adjustable. Parehong side. And then, we also have polo t-shirt na polo wrap. Big size na top, two colors lang. Pwede to 2XL and 3XL. Cute, cute. Babaeng babae. Yan. This one. And this, and this. And meron na ulit tayo ng beaded top. Yan. Na-plansya na rin yan ni Richard. So, yan. Post ako later ng when we're nung iba. Ay, mayroon pala tayong coordinates. At yung mga colors. 3 colors lang. And this. Ilang.